At Monet Beauty, our mission is to create innovative beauty products that make it easy for anyone to feel glamorous. We believe that achieving a glamorous look shouldn't be complicated. Our Monet Beauty eyeliner and lashes make lash application super easy with just 3 steps. First, you want to shake the liquid eyeliner. Then apply 1 coat of your favorite eyeliner style and let it dry completely. Then apply your second coat. Here you'll want to create a slightly thicker lash line as a base for your lash magnets. Then wait a few minutes to make sure that the eyeliner has completely dried. Once your eyeliner is dry, you're ready for the last step. Apply the lashes onto your lash line, starting with the inner corner. Feel free to adjust the lashes as many times as you need to. There you have it. Look glam all day with just 3 simple steps for perfectly applied lashes. No glue, no mess. This is glam made easy.